Keith. Portland police say people committed more violent crimes in the city in 2022 than the year before. The 42 shootings last year is double from 2021. Last year there were 17 stabbings, also up.
This spike in violent crime forced police to change their patrol tactics as they also deal with low staffing levels. That includes one very small but very vital piece of equipment.
Most police officers expect to get in their cruisers. Most police officers expect to go on patrol. What they cannot expect is everything else they see on their shifts. Brian Rollins knows. He's a Portland police officer and former combat medic.
They very much parallel each other.
On September 26, 2020, his two worlds collided.
That was the first time real world, like, this guy needs help now.
A man driving a motorcycle on I-295 crashed and suffered what Rollins says were life-threatening injuries.
That level of trauma, not knowing whether he's going to make it in the rig or the ambulance to make it up to the hospital, or if that's going to be the scene.
Rollins pulled out his med kit with tourniquets to stop the bleeding.
If I don't do anything, something bad's going to happen.
Now, every officer on the streets in Portland gets one of these med kits.
Essentially an artificial airway in the field.
Equipped with gear like tourniquets to help people in medical crisis.
Say a gunshot or a severe injury, that's what's going to provide the most aid.
Their yearly training in 2022 came just weeks before a spree of 5 shootings in the city in less than a week.
It was very blatant that things were changing, and they were changing pretty rapidly.
Also in these kits, a chest seal for gunshot wounds or deep cuts to the torso.
This is to give you the best shot to get to the hospital, to get to somebody that has a lot more training, education, and tools than we do on the street.
And I am emergency medicine physician.
Somebody like Dr. Kate Zimmerman.
Getting care at the point of injury is crucial. Why? Because you want to save every drop of blood. That can be the difference between life and death in some of these patients.
Yeah, I normally keep it just right, accessible, so if I need to go grab it when I'm on a call, it's right there.
In 7 shooting incidents in 2022, officers say they use these kits every time.
Every person that they touch, it's improved their outcomes.
Including that motorcycle driver in 2020. He survived.
You're blown away. You're like, whoa, that minor, seemingly minor intervention may have saved this person's life.
So the department gets these kits through a grant right now, but before that, officers like Officer Rollins actually purchased their own supplies.